what's going on? Welcome to the channel, and man, thanks to my new sub. So I've been offline for a while, and we're going to talk about why. Mainly because we're trying to put a business together for the side pipe. So a lot of busy work there. I still work full time, and then we're still trying to produce content for the channel. So of course the business will coincide with Coyote Productions, the channel. Yes, we are on our way. Hopefully we got a couple prototypes. I think we settled in on a pipe. So what we're doing, what we're looking at for our side gig here, guys, is we're going to produce side pipes for the S197, and it's going to fit the stock H pipe, and it should fit the X pipe, which we modeled the pipes off from. So they are very similar in bend to our factory side pipes, with the exception of being flat. Now originally when we talked about this, we demonstrated, and I did a video of a 2-inch side pipe. It necked down to a 1 7/5" pipe with this really cool cutout, and we'll show you those. And they are a 2-inch side pipe that pretty much stays 2 inches throughout. What we did was, they are a little close, under the chassis. It will work, but we just didn't want to, risk. So we decided to go to a 1 7/5. Now I ran the 2-inch on my car, for a couple hours of runtime, had no issues. But these will work just fine. Again, we're going to sell them for $400 a pair. This prototype, not the ones we're going to be bending. Now we're using aluminized steel from Canada. Very good quality, 80 thousandths thick, with stainless flanges, and we do have that little flex joint in there, which will help with fit. So that's kind of where we're at. Our business is already registered, and it's going to be called Custom 5 Coyote. What we're going to do is just build some specialty parts for Coyote. For now, we're going to focus on these side pipes, get them off the ground. We do plan on moving from the S197 chassis to the S550, so that is longer term. But again, for now, we're going to focus on these pipes. So like I said, a lot going on. We'll let you guys take a look at the quality quickly. And we are still working with some other prototypes to see what we can get there. But what we're going to release, and that my builder, Ron, who's a professional pipe bender, he has his own shop, so he's doing an excellent job. He's going to be producing our product. I'm going to get it packaged and shipped out. And again, we do have a website under Custom 5 Coyote, which I'm working on building. I don't plan it to be in business for a while, just because the amount of time it takes, and I'm still employed 40 to 50 hours a week. So super busy. So I got my hands full on stuff, but fun stuff coming up. Now, let's talk about the car, where we're going. We got a Cobra Jet intake, and we're going to send that out to Airflow Research, I believe it is. They're going to do the port work. They're going to fill it in for us. We're going to show you pics of before and after. We haven't had that done yet, and that's where we're going to move to next. The car is sitting on 443 wheel with the Boss ported on 93, and the heads and the Boss racing cams. The car does feel strong. We should see something close to a 460 wheel on E85, and then we'll move from our ported Boss intake to the ported Cobra Jet intake, and it would be very interesting to see where those numbers fall out. I don't have high hopes, but let's just see. Now, we are going to get it to the track as soon as possible. I did say I was going to test the 373 gears with the 297 Tremec, and I think I'm going to throw that idea out the window. We're going to go to our 410s. Ron's going to install our 410s for us. So we'll be ready this spring to test the car where it is, and I'll provide that update, you know, to my viewers when we get there. So that's kind of where we're at. We'll let you guys take a look at these pipes, and I really appreciate, you know, your support, your patience on this, and we're finally getting the car where we wanted it to. Drag / road course car, reliability, fast, and a car just to have fun with. So I know a lot of you guys are waiting to see what it's going to do. My control number is, and it's not great, it's 1199. That is with the Calamar transmission, E85. I also want to add, I don't know if the noise in there and why it's so slow was because we found, or Calamar found, a 3rd and 4th gear wear pattern was bad in the transmission. We also dynoed at 406, where we previously dynoed on a 449 with the MT82. Nothing changed but transmission and the weather. The weather should have been in our favor because it was in November on the Calamar and a hot summer day in July for our MT82. So yes, it was over a 40 horsepower difference. Now we are just getting back to that 449 number, but we didn't make huge numbers with the cam change and surprisingly with the head flow change, and we'll talk about that another time. But we'll let you take a look at the pipes and look at the quality of them. Now this one's going to have some markings on them, and then we'll show you guys the Cobra Jet intake. These are some hefty gauged pipes. They will not rust. Excellent quality. They are made in Canada. It is 2-inch. That's upside down. So they are not the mandrel bends, so we got a few kinks, but again, not concerned. These are really about noise. They're not, you know, they're not a huge performance item that is going to increase horsepower on these cars, right? I think the stock pipe, they say, without the restrictors, are 2 to 3 horsepower. Again, these are about fun, making some noise. We are going to have some restrictors for you guys, so we're not too loud at the track. And then this is going to be cut off, and we'll clean this up for you. But this will be the set that we're going to sell if you guys are interested for $400. The other set that we have put aside, no, these are actually stainless, with the exception with the 175 that had the cutout. These are the ones we tested in the video. These are the ones that are going to my buddy Larry. Cobra Jet intake out, so super excited about this. Again, we are going to stick with the All Boss build for a while, maybe a few months, as I you know, promised, and that's where I wanted to be, to see where the car's going to, you know, perform at, and then we'll get it retuned on this, and again, we'll show you the ports. We have the twin 62 millimeter throttle body from Ford. So again, we're still using all Ford parts, but we had to step away from the Boss setup. So I think it's an increase roughly, I think we're at 980 CFM with our 85 millimeter throttle body. And then this is gonna kick us up to just over 1500 CFM. And you know, we should see a gain from mid to top end on this car. So we are set up at the stock limiter, 7,900 RPM, so we'll probably run it out to 78. We do have the oil pump gears and billet steel, so I'm not worried about, you know, banging off the rev limiter, but we're not going to do that. But again, yeah, this is gonna be fun. So I'll let you guys take a look at this, and then we'll show you some pictures before and after port, so you get an idea where we're going with this. All right, I'm sure you guys all have seen the Cobra intake, but oh, I don't know if you're gonna see that here. So this is gonna be cleaned up. We are not going with a mono blade, but we'll show you the differences once it's done. And then on the bottom side, you can really see where this is all going to be cleaned up. So again, super excited about where we're at and what's coming up, but my car has not been here. Now I think it's going on the 3rd week. So Ron is using it to get things set up. We want to make sure these pipes are going to be right for our customers. And again, this is exciting times, at least for me. So a lot of work, and we're going to hang in there, guys. So thanks a lot. Continue to support. Make sure you like the videos. And I do want to mention the Detroit Autorama, great time, always a good show. But I do want to say I am so sorry about the video quality. Had no idea how poor it was. That's a 5.3K video up from, I think, I'm running a 1080 on the GoPro now. I don't think it scales up once I download it and do my editing and upload it. It just gets screwed up. So unfortunately, those videos are bad. So I gotta understand what we need to do to fix that. So we're gonna step back down to a 1080, which still is decent, and we'll work with that for now until I can figure out how to get that high quality video uploaded without distortion. So anyways, thanks again, guys. Thanks for all your support and patience, and we'll keep things coming. So you guys all have a great day. Thank you, and take care.